What's going on YouTube? It's your home improvement homeboy CJ, and I'm coming to you guys with a product review today. I know, as you see on my channel, I don't do too many product reviews. That's something I'm actually trying to get more into, but I was actually chilling with a friend yesterday, and he pulled out his paint gun. He was asking me some questions on it, and as you guys can see, I've been painting today, so I just figured, why not? Let's talk about it today. So yeah, he started asking me about his paint gun, if it was a good buy, and I told him I'd look into it and I'd show him how to use it, because I've actually had one of these before, a bigger model, and so I hadn't used this smaller model, and when he told me the price, I was like, what? No, it's no way. So unbelievably, the gun that we're talking about today is the Wagner Spraytech Control Spray Double Duty. And when I tell you, I actually saw it for myself in action. I'm going to show you guys the clips. Do a little ASMR, show you guys the clips in a little while. But yeah, this thing paints flawlessly, especially for the price. Like, honestly, I was a little skeptical when he told me the price was around $60-something, and I went and looked it up for myself, and I could not believe that for the price, this gun was able to spray the paint that we were painting cabinets with it, and it was able to spray the paint through undiluted, with no issues. I mean, literally flawless. Like, you could not ask for a more perfect spray than what we got out of this, especially for the price. So guys, for your home improvement needs, if you got any painting to do in the near future, you don't want to spend a fortune on paint supplies, you don't have a lot of time to spend brushing and rolling walls, I highly recommend the Wagner Spraytech Control Double Spray. And I'm going to post the link in the bio so you guys can see where to get it. But I promise you, this one is worth the money. And it's perfect for your DIY projects, like I say, small paint projects. Now, I wouldn't use it for anything large. Cabinets is about as large as I would go with it, only because, you know, it's not built for commercial use. It's definitely more of a residential, small projects, DIY projects type of thing. So I highly do not recommend, you know, if you're a professional and you're looking to get started as a professional, I would not recommend getting it, only for that reason, because things that aren't really built for commercial use tend to conk out a little sooner than you want them to when you start to use them commercially. Also, second point of why I would not get it if you plan to use it commercially is because this is as much paint as you can hold in it. And they give you two of these. I don't have the second one with me right now. But yeah, this is not a lot of paint when you're thinking about painting, you know, a whole house or something. So you're going to have to constantly refill it. So I definitely recommend small projects, DIYs, etc., etc. But guys, you heard it here. This is a good buy for the money. So definitely hit that link below and go cop yours today. Let me show you this in action. So guys, you've seen what it can do, and you know that it is definitely worth the money. And like I said, I highly recommend it. So if you guys enjoyed the review, you enjoyed the content that I'm putting out on this channel, I highly encourage you to go ahead and hit that little red button in the corner somewhere over in this area. Subscribe, share it, tell a friend, whatever you got to do. I greatly appreciate you helping this channel grow. And if you have any questions for me, put it in the comment section below. Usually I do YouTube on a professional level, so I usually try to respond to you guys as quickly as I see the questions pop up. So let's talk. All right, until next time.